This is continuation of problems based on standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Today I will show you two problems and I am giving you around 7-8 problems for practice. See, the first problem goes like this. The arithmetic mean scored by 3 batsmen X, Y, Z in a series of 10 innings where the size is same in all three cases are 150, 48 and 12 respectively. The standard deviations of their runs are 15, 12 and 2 respectively. Who has better score record? Who is more consistent of 3? Now there are 3 batsmen X, Y and Z where mean values as mentioned in the problem are 150, 48 and 12. If you look at all three, the mean score of X is very higher than Y and Z. 150, 48 and 12 where the average score is very high for X. Therefore, X has better score records, nothing but he has secured more runs in 10 matches compared to other two players. So that is all about the first question. Second question, who is more consistent of 3? If you remember, in the first video of CV I told you, if the CV is least, then data is more uniform, more consistent and it has more homogeneity. If the CV is very high, then higher variability, lesser the uniformity, lesser the homogeneity in the data. That is how the relationship of CV with the consistency is. Therefore, now if you look at this, I have calculated CV for all three, substituting the values given in the problem. Where for X, standard deviation is 15, mean is 150 into 100 which is 10%. And for Y, standard deviation is 12 and the mean is 48 into 100 equals 25%. For Z, your standard deviation is 2, mean is 12 into 100 which is 16.67. Therefore, if you compare all these three, CV of, that is coefficient of variation of batsman X is very lower than that of other two players. Therefore, X is more consistent in his performance as compared to other two. And the next category of problem which will be given to you is like this. The coefficient of variation is 60% and the standard deviation is 6. Find out mean. Coefficient of variation is standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Coefficient of variation is 60%. Standard deviation is 6 divided by mean into 100. So 60 into mean. Bring this mean to LHS will be equal to 600. 6 into 100, 600. 60 mean equals 600. Mean equals 600 divided by 60 which is equal to 10. Here one of the data will be missing, maybe the standard deviation or maybe the mean value, and you need to find out by substituting variables to the formula. This is the another category of problem which I am giving you today for the practice. I hope you have followed this. Thank you.